So it's Monday, I think it is, and it's very, very cold. We're down at Windsor Marina just after Storm Henk's come through over the last few days to have a look at the boat, make sure it's all right, and see what's what. And I'm just arrived at Marina. We can see already that the water level's pretty high, but we're going to have a good look round. Well, as we can see, the boat is much higher out of the water, and as you can see here, the fenders are actually just not doing much good at all. So I've got some spare ones which I'm going to put out while this water's so high, but here's a good example. You see the swim platform here. This is normally about 18 inches to 2 foot below the top of the quay, and as you can see now, it's a good, I don't know, 18 inches, 2 foot, maybe a bit more above the height of the quay. So getting onto the boat, I've actually got to step up to it rather than step down to it. So we'll get some fenders on. Oh, Sid and I have just refended the boat, and we're now, Sydney, where are you? We're just going to go for a quick walk and then get in the car and beetle off home, I think. So, Sid and I, there's Sid, we just walked down to the river entrance of the marina, and it's really a bitterly cold day, but I thought you'd just like to see how full the river is. I mean, this is really full, and I don't know whether you can see the speed of which the river is moving along. It is very, very dramatic. I hope you can see this because it's really quick. Anyway, we're going to walk back to the car, get the heater on, and go home.